Whoop, turn the light on real quick. What's up, guys? Just wanted to show you me. I was gonna show you building it, but these are the guts. This is the brain of the GPU mining rig that I'm building. It's gonna be a 6 GPU mining rig for 1660s, 1660 Ti's to be exact. Different brands. I don't have a whole set brand. I got some Tufts. I got some gigabits, whatever. All that. This is my first installment. I want to show you guys what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and how I'm going to get it done. See, I got the 1200 watt server power supply with a breakout board. Then I'm using my Dell Optiplex's power supply. I believe that's 250, I can't really remember. Let me see. 250, I believe it is. It's upside down. 250, 275, something like that watt. Enough to power the board. That's all I need to power is the board and some of the other peripherals. I got my RAM in there. Only one stick. This came with 4, but I took the other 3 off. I'm gonna use those for other rigs later on, hopefully. Stock CPU that's on there. It came with it. It was an i7 third generation, i7 3770, I believe it is. Not entirely sure. I got my GPU risers. Not my GPU risers, sorry. I got my GPU splitters. My PCI lane splitters. 4 lanes split from 1. This motherboard's different. Usually on older motherboards, you'll see only this PCI lane, this one, and that one. This one's not there. So this board is a little bit of an upgrade, I guess. But as you can see, it's beautiful. It's all set up perfectly. I'm gonna have it run on Wi-Fi. Didn't know you can do that. You can run your rig on Wi-Fi. Did not know that was possible. I already installed HIVEOS on here. I'm using HIVEOS. They have a great walkthrough on how to do everything. Honestly, I'm not computer savvy. I played with computers as a kid, you know, the type of kid that tears apart computers and puts it back together. So I know some things, but I'm not computer savvy like that. I figured it out by myself. Simple, easy. You can do the same thing too. Ripped it right out of that Dell Optiplex, that motherboard, put it right over here. I got 6 GPUs. I'll show you me putting those in, but sorry that I didn't show the process of this. I had to build this rig. It says it's a 12 GPU mining rig, but it looks more like a 6 to me. I'm not entirely sure. I am about to install the fans, so you'll see that. Let's get it. Right, just got the fans installed. Gotta screw them into the back because these things are too separated. That's for actual computers with rubber pieces to pull through. But yeah, got them all on there. Exhausting outwards. That's usually the exhaust out, but we're gonna turn them on and find out. We will be turning them on whenever I get the GPUs in. I don't want to turn them on and... I mean, I guess I could right now. I'll probably do some testing in the background, but I'm not going to film it is what I'm saying. But yeah, I don't have a stand or anything. I'm using my hand right now. When I get a stand, I'll probably start filming every little thing, all the boring stuff, all the plugging in and all that. But everything's hooked up for the most part. Just got to do the GPUs. They'll be going right here. Like I said, it says 6. It says 12, but they're so close. These 2 holes are so close. I see why they say 12, because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sets of those screw holes. 2 screw holes there. But I'm probably only be able to use 6. So 1, 2, because the GPUs are probably gonna be so fat that they're going through. But anyways, we'll worry about that when we come to it. Right now, it looks pretty damn good if you ask me. Looks pretty damn good. Just got to finish up a little bit. That's all. Next will be the GPUs. Once I get the PCIe risers. And then we'll be golden. Stay tuned. All right. GPU risers just came in. Time to add them to the rig. Boom, boom, bang. Yes, sir. Final stretch. Then we're going to start this baby up. Get it all loaded into HIVEOS and everything. Ooh. Old motherboard out of a Dell Optiplex 7010 mini tower. For my fans, had a jimmy rig something to hook it up. You know, going off of SATA from the Dell Optiplex power supply as well. I'm gonna keep everything on there, and then I'm gonna put the GPUs and GPU risers right inside of on this right here. Looks like candy, man. Looks like candy. Love it. Let me take one of these out to show you. I got the 8 capacitor or 6 capacitor ones, whatever they are. There we go. They said they wanted quality. I'll give it to them. Beautiful piece. Put those right there. Maybe not like that. Maybe like this. Boom. Boom. Maybe it does fit 12. But we'll see. All right, time to put these on. I'll be back in a minute once I get them all on. See you soon. I'm over here opening these Asus. Turn off my TV real quick. Love Family Guy. It's my favorite show. The floor's a little dirty. Don't mind that. Open up these Asus whatever Tough Gaming 1660 Ti 6 gigabytes. They are fresh. I kind of want to put this in some computer rigs and see what they look like, because that's a fresh card. Still got the plastic on it. It's in the anti-static plastic. Below that, there's more plastic. As you can see, it's wrapped around the actual unit. Fresh, new. Still got those caps on it, man. It might not be fresh new. Someone cleaned the hell out of this though, man, and put everything back, but I'm pretty sure it's fresh new. Yes, sirree, Bob. Good old Vietnam. All right. Ooh. Got one in there already. It just looks so good. Look at that. Fresh, clean, new. On the riser. These fans are exhausting outwards, so they're going to be pulling air. Should be a beautiful thing. We will see as soon as I get all hooked up. All right. Oops. Turn that off, sorry. We're working. We're hashing it out. We're doing big things. But I can only get 5 to work. The lights are pretty. I like that. I can only get 5 to work. Tried 6 on those 4 PCIe, those PCIe the splitter, 4-way splitter things. Tried to get it on there. It didn't really work out too perfectly. I don't believe in cable management, as you can see. So I know some people are gonna hate me. I will cable manage it, don't worry. I'm just getting into it. This is my very first rig. Everything seems to be working fine. I did have one of these. All right, these 3 are Samsung. Then I got 2 Microns. Okay, the Samsungs, I have 2 versions of the 2E, whatever that is. I don't know the whole thing. It's like 20.1E, whatever. And then I have the 2B. As you can see, the 2 I got the 1Es are hashing at 31, but I did have the other Samsung hashing at 33, but it was back here where it says I 0%. I guess that means invalid. It said 100% on that, in that slot where it says 27. It was kicking out 33, but it was saying 100% I. So if you guys want to help me out with that, let me know. Better clock settings, I'll show you on the setup here. I'll show you on the HIVEOS real quick. Let me refresh the page. I've been playing with this for a minute. All right, that's what we're doing right now. That's how it's going right now. Let's go in there. Let's get right there. These are my settings for right now. I had this one. Where's it at? I had this one set up for 5,000 memory clocking, I guess, or yeah. I had it up set for 5,000. Everything was the same except it said 5,000 there, and it was actually kicking out 33, but it's saying invalid. So I don't know why. I'm gonna read up on it. I'm gonna try and figure it out. If you guys can figure it out, help me. That'd be great. But we're up and we're running. We're hashing it out now. All right. Well, you know, your boy's out here. We did it. Successful.